Bonjour, je m'appelle Himanshu et bienvenue ici. My name is Himanshu and welcome here in our series of learning diphthongs in French. Today I'm going to teach you the sound which comes from TION and SSION. In French, both of these are giving the same sound, which is SSION. So we have some examples as usual. The first one is in French, LA, which is la, NATATION. NA is na, TA is ta. Now remember, TA is ta. You will never say it is ta, because in French is a soft language. We never have ta sound in French. We always have ta sound, ta. So this is na, ta, and TION, which we are learning right now, which gives SSION sound. So it becomes la natation. La natation, which means the swimming. Now few of you might be wondering what is this la, and I have also written la here. So for your information, in French, for every noun there is a gender. So noun will be either masculine or feminine. Okay, and if you ask me, is there any formula to remember the noun along with its gender? So I must say there is not. Yes, there are some rules available in Google. You can Google them down, but in my personal experience, I will say, since there are so many rules available, and it becomes really complex to learn a language, and I believe language is all about to express yourself, right? So we should not concentrate too much on the gender of the noun. Instead of that, we should focus on speaking ability. Instead of that, we should focus on learning ability. Okay, so la is basically it is used for feminine noun, and la, which is used for masculine noun. So the next example is la, PRE. I mean, this will give a sound. We have learned this accent. Whenever e and on the top of this accent, it gives a sound. So it becomes pray. PA next gives pa sound. So pray pa. Then we have RA, which becomes ra. And then we have TION, which gives SSION sound. So all together, when we combine these all letters, it becomes pre-pa-ra-sion. Pre-pa-ra-sion. Preparation. Preparation, which means the preparation. The next is LA, which is la, which is feminine gender. La, NATION. Can you guess it? Well, NA is na, and TION, we are learning the sound SSION. So together it becomes nation. Nation, which means the nation. The next word is le, LE. It's a masculine noun, and that's why we are using le behind the noun. The example is REPUTATION. So RE is R, PU is pew, is ta, and TION is sion. So together it becomes reputation, 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 which means the reputation. And the last example is I have taken SSION, that one, although in French most of the time you will see TION. Okay, SSION, we don't have many of the words in French with the ending SSION, but you should remember it also gives sion sound. La, PRO becomes pro, GRE become gray, SSION, we are learning this sound, becomes sion. So altogether it becomes progression, progression. So progression means the progression. So hence we learned TION and SSION, which gives sion sounds in French. Thank you so much for having me. I hope you had a great time with this lecture, and I will see you soon. Thank you so much.